80 animals.
Woodpecker.
Hi, everybody. It's good to see you again. Are you having a good time with 80 animals? That's nice to hear. Today, we'll learn about another kind of bird, the woodpecker. This is a woodpecker. Its beak is very strong. Now, let's learn some words.
Woods. This is the woods. Woods is a large area with lots of trees. Many animals live in the woods. What animals live in the woods? Deer, rabbits, and birds are some of them. Perch. If you perch on something, you sit down lightly. In the picture, the bird perches on a branch. Peck. If a bird pecks something, it moves its beak forward quickly. You see a bird in the picture. The bird pecks a tree. The bird may make a hole in the tree by pecking it.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Woods. Perch. Peck.
Now you will read a story. After you read, you will take a quiz.
What is the bird in the picture? It is a woodpecker. A woodpecker lives in the woods. It perches upright on a tree. It has short but strong legs. It has very sharp claws. Its legs and claws make the position possible. A woodpecker has a sharp, strong beak. It pecks the tree and makes a hole with its beak. It wants to eat insects inside the tree. After pecking one tree, it moves to another tree. Then it continues pecking. That's why it's called a woodpecker.
What does the woodpecker use to make a hole in the tree? Beak. Claw. Why does the woodpecker peck the tree? To get insects. To make its nest. What is true about the woodpecker? Its claws are sharp. Its legs are long.
How was the class? Did you like it? Good! This is the end of our lesson. I will see you next class. Goodbye!